Today we're going to do linear equations. So this is part 2 of line graphs. Some of this stuff you should be able to just do intuitively, but I want you to write it down and work out how to do this to set up for the future for algebraic thinking. Okay, so we have y equals 2x plus 1. So remember, we're going to make a t-chart. We're going to put our independent variable on the left and our dependent variable on the right. Our independent variables are x and our dependents are y. So this depends on what this is. So when x is 0, we can plug in 0 up here, 2 zeros plus 1, and I do want you to write this. So that would be 0 plus 1, just 1. So that is the ordered pair, 0, 1. Then we have 2 1s plus 1. So that's 2 plus 1, 3. So x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, we put 2 in there. 2 2s is 4 plus 1 is 5. And when x is 3, 2 3s is 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have the ordered pair 0 1, 1 3, 2 5, and 3 7. Look what happens if we just graph over 0 up 1 and 3 7. I should be able to draw a line straight through that, and it'll go through my other points too. Let's see if it does. 1 3 and 2 5. So there are an infinite amount of ordered pairs on this line. Okay. All right, that's the basic concept. So let's put this in action with some real world examples. Some of these we're going to graph, some of them we're just going to make a table and figure out the linear equation. They're linear because they make a straight line. A plant is already 41 centimeters tall. It will grow 1 centimeter every month. Okay, so what's my independent variable? The month or the height? It's the month, because the month is independent. Months keep going. The plant's height, h, after m months is given by the following. H equals 41 plus m. Okay, so on my t-chart, m, my months, is independent of h, the height. So after 0 months, it's 41 inches tall, or centimeters tall, sorry. 41 plus 0 is 41. After 1 month, it would be 42. What is the plant's height after 14 months? So after 14, we're going to plug 14 into my equation here. 41 plus 14 is 55. Could you have just plugged and chugged? Yes. But I want us to get into this algebraic thinking mode here. The answer is 55 centimeters. Okay. This is my independent. This depends on that. Allie bought n packs of pencils. Each pack has 12 pencils. Okay, so we have packs, and then we have pencils. So 0 packs would have 0 pencils. 1 pack would have 12 pencils. 2 packs would have 24 pencils. We're going to write an equation to represent the total number of pencils P that Allie bought. Okay, so pencils is P, packs is N. So how do we get from the input, the independent variable, to the dependent variable? Well, it's either going to be addition or multiplication. We can see this is clearly multiplication. So whatever this is times 12 will get us here. So this times 12, that times 12, that times 12, n times 12. So n times 12 equals p. Better yet, when we write a variable with a number, we say 12n equals p. That's our equation. Okay. We could graph that, put that on a line graph, but for now, you are just writing the equation. Okay, another similar one. Deshaun needs to read 3 novels each month. Okay, so my independent variable is going to be the months, which is going to be m. My dependent variable is the number of novels he reads, which is n. So after 0 months, he's read 0 novels. After 1 month, he's read 3 novels. After 2 months, these are at 6. All right. Write an equation relating n to m. Okay, so to get from here to here, my input to my output, I'm multiplying by 3. So again, it's m times 3 equals n. Remember how we write this? 3m equals n. Then use this equation to find the number of novels Deshawn needs to read in 19 months. So after 19 months, so we're going to put 19 in here. 19 threes, 19 times 3. Okay, 3 times 20 is 60, so 3 less than that is 57, using the distributive property, 57 minutes. All right, so let's do 2 of them now, where we're going to do that and then make the graph after that. A printer prints 6 photos each minute. Let P be the number of photos printed in m minutes. What is my independent variable there? The minutes or the photos? It's the minutes. The minutes, time keeps marching. So that's my independent, it goes first, and then the photos goes second. So after 0 minutes, we've made 0 photos. 1 minute, 6 photos. 2, 12. So again, we've got multiplication to get from here to here, times 6. So my equation is 6m equals p. And once we have that, now we can graph it. And like I like to use the number 0, 1, 2, 3. We can plug them in. 0, 0, 1, 6, 2, 12, 3 even goes off. We can't even get to 3. Straight line goes off like that. All right, another one like that. That was, we're doing 1 step right now. We'll get to 2 step. Keisha earns $14 each hour she works part-time at a bookstore. She earns an additional $1 for each book that she sells. Okay, this one's a little different. Let A be the amount in dollars that Keisha earns in an hour if she sells B books. Okay, so now we don't have time. Now we're seeing how many books she sells will lead to how many dollars. Okay, so books to the amount. So if she sells 0 books, she still gets paid. She gets paid $14. If she sells 1 book, she gets $15. 2 books, she gets 16, 3 bucks, she gets 17, and on and on and again. So we could graph this. At 0, she's already making $14. 1, 15, 2, 16, 3, 17, 4, 18. Keep going up and up. Okay, so this is not multiplication. Now we are adding to get from here to here, 14. So it's B plus 14. Or 14 plus B, doesn't matter. Equals it. All right, that's how we do this assignment. Good luck.